I have to ask that it's not easy to be in a relationship for 5 years in an industry where you're exposed to so much, there's so much access. What do you think is keeping this relationship alive and the spark alive?
I honestly don't think it's difficult. I think it's like any other relationship, unless if you are somebody who gets excited like looking at something new and different. Because that's I think one thing that I think happens a lot in the industry when the people say na ki you're from the glamour industry, how difficult is it to keep the relation. I'm like, anyway we started with like not being a very private couple, we started in the Bigg Boss house. So now outside, after the Bigg Boss house, if you're trying to be private, that's going to look silly. Especially when, touchwood, by God's grace, we've been working so much, a lot of which working together.
Yeah.
So like, how are we going to keep anything private anyway? And other than that, like in terms of us belonging to the glamour industry, you can't get excited with every new thing that you see. Like you have to choose the other person every day.
Yeah.
So yeah, for sure.
Absolutely. What about you, Karan?
Same. I think a lot of people put a lot of pressure on will we last, and with this, I have to prove other people wrong. We've never had that pressure. We've never had to prove anybody wrong or right.
Yeah.
We've never thought about कि ये ऐसे होगा तो कैसे होगा. We've just been together since the first day we met.
Yeah.
And we've not let any of these pressures enter. And I think both of us had reached a stage where when we met, that we knew that ये social media वाले ये जो relationships हैं, ये सब ये होता नहीं, because everybody has their own things going on. So जो picture perfect होते हैं, वो सब it's all a game for people to show. And I tell this to all the youngsters also, don't fall for stuff that you see on social media.
Yeah, like literally we and Karan, we don't even post so much together. We just have like so many like brands and work things that we do together. So most of our posts are like work posts or like some promotional post, or if we've gone to a certain location wherein we have to give that location a tag or whatever, which again is a part of work. Like we have to give that as a deliverable or whatever, right? Again, that's like, so like that's what I was telling my friends. We probably in a year we do like 2 posts for each other, which is like for our birthday and probably Valentine's Day.
Yeah.
Otherwise, all
the other
throughout
day
we don't do any posts
we drove
together.
to Goa. We were in the car for 9 hours. 9 hours. I think 9.
Sorry, 9 hours.
And we didn't even see our phones.
Yeah, we didn't like do.
So
Otherwise, I see people
हाँ,
making like
लोग
stories
stories बना
of
रहे
the
हैं,
car
ये
and
वो.
I'm like,
We when we reached the hotel is when we realized कि तेजू तूने सुबह से फोन नहीं देखा, सब पागल हुए थे, कहाँ है तेजू, कहाँ है करण, वो इसका वो इसका
most of my stories are food.
Beautiful, but
That's what I'm
Most
saying.
of my
We
stories are
don't-
food.
ऐसा नहीं है हमें प्रूव करना है या हमें किसी को देखा आप अभी proved you wrong. We don't care. And हम हमेशा से ऐसे ही थे.
Who has the time? Yeah, I'm sorry, we don't have that much time.
आप लोग की anniversary date है कोई? Because it just started, I feel like the relationship in a way.
Exactly, like you said.
So
it
I
just
don't know अगर
started.
एक
So
date
then
है.
we're counting the time where he gave me like a soft toy in the house.
I think 24th
like a heart,
October.
Yeah.
You gave her a soft toy.
I mean, it was the task or whatever you call it.
Oh,
So
okay.
then we're just counting that one as.
As an anniversary date.
Because that was when he like spelled it out, like proper. Said it out loud, you could say.
घर के बाहर कभी there was never an official confession that happened. I think you all just knew
Yeah.
in a way.
Yeah.
What is one thing you all still adore about each other now that it's been one particular thing that you adore about her? You tell me first.
अभी मैंने गाड़ी में इसको बोला, मैंने कहा there are certain things, how she can't be diplomatic in life.
Yeah.
Yeah, he just said that.
ठीक है, और मेरे को डर लगता है कभी-कभी कैसे बोलती है, जितना बोलती है. So I'm like, don't change yourself, because I like that about you. I liked that about you. वो कुछ जो चीज़ें मैं कर लूँगा, तू छोड़.
So cute.
There are certain things that she's इसके ये छुपाती कुछ नहीं. There are no hidden hatreds for you, or there are no hidden agendas. In fact, a little too transparent. So that is something, this is just what I'm on top of my head. We were just talking about this in the car.
Yeah.
That she was like, हाँ यार मैं कोशिश में करने मत कर, यही अच्छा है, ऐसी अच्छी लगती है.
No, that is adorable because even as someone who's taking an interview, वो पता चल जाता है आपको कि इंसान दिल से बोल रहा है, जो जुबान पे है, वही जो दिल में है, वही चेहरे पे है. But if I have to ask you, tell me one thing that you adore about him.
पूरा इंटरव्यू
It's very.
My God, we have other things to do.
Adore this.
She gets annoyed with
Yeah, this
I love annoying her.
Yeah.
And now everybody loves annoying her. पहले सिर्फ मैं
I
था.
don't like that.
Why?
Because who likes getting annoyed?
Yeah, nobody.
Yeah.
But why are you giving everyone else the right to annoy her?
मैं थोड़ी कर
That's
रहा हूँ.
what happens. If he starts talking to me like in a like he's kidding or something, it means that I've given him the right to. Then what happens is everybody starts making those jokes as if like I've given you all the right to also. So now I don't take his jokes also, like I'm like not
Bas.
funny.
Like Krishna, Elvish, Arjun, सब लगे होता है. She's her. ये हम सबका ना वो है. Now she's our favorite. मेरी तो थी.
But दिख रहा है रील्स पे इतना तंग करते हो.
बहुत तंग करते हैं इसको. बहुत
कृष्णा
तंग करते हैं.
dresses like तेजो.
तेजू को तंग करके बड़ा मजा.
तेजो's expressions.
वो मतलब एल्विश बोल रहा है कि भाई मैं
are
आपको
not giving interview for laughter chefs.
हिम्मत देना चाहता हूँ. हाँ सॉरी.
This is a desi bling.
नहीं but वो बता सकते हो. But okay, तेजो annoy हो गई.
Exactly.
But tell me now what you adore about him.
He always wakes up before me.
That's what you adore about.
No. So like he wakes up and like he walks around like literally like very softly, like as if almost like on eggshells, like so like very. So and I don't even realize like when he's woken up and if he wants to watch some news or whatever, he goes to the other room and watches. And
So that you are not disturbed.
So that I'm not disturbed.
And then I speak to her manager. बता दे मैडम को कितने बजे उठाना है उस हिसाब से उठाऊंगा.
Oh my God.
People call him. मैं उठी है क्या? I'm like what? Why do you have to call him? Yeah, it's very.
Because you don't take your calls.
Because I'm sleeping.
So the other day she had a 2, 3 or whatever, and you know she didn't tell me she come home early morning, and I went aram se softly waking up. So you like that I'm very caring.
Yeah.
My God.
Caring, considerate.
Considerate. Very.
Yeah, ये छोटी-छोटी चीजें होती हैं
Yeah.
लड़कियों को पसंद आती
Yeah.
है.
Yeah.
Very sweet. But tell me one thing that you all tolerate about each other.
Oh God.
This podcasts, constant podcast.
Ouch.
Like no,
No, I keep
you
watching.
are fine.
You are
But then
entertaining.
there are these podcasts that he watches, which are meant for kids who are giving UPSC entrance exams.
But they have
What does it have to do with UPSC entrance exam? You watch that? What is that thing? What's that called?
Which is this?
study IQ.
Study IQ.
अरे बाप रे.
But but they
So
they have the
much
most
education
relevant
and
information, na?
latest geopolitical this and full like for hours that person's talking and in the end of the podcast there's a question if you learned
I
from
answer
that,
all of them.
if you learned from the podcast or no.
But this is crazy. I didn't know this
Yeah,
about
and I
you.
like to watch my content like something like a good performance or a film, like you know, something that will make you cry for days.
But seeing Karan, one side he's like, you know, sorting out Yogesh and Akansha, and then I'm seeing that he's seeing Study IQ podcast. I'm like, two different personalities.
I love watching all.
How? That's also handling politics there also. It's just different kind of
I'm
politics.
up to
Where
date
do you
with
think he's getting
everything
it
that's
from?
happening in the world right now and in the future also.
That's how he tolerated all the politics in Spitzvilla also.
मुझे अपने अंदर की सारी एम्पैथी, सारा पेशेंस, सब कुछ लेके आना पड़ा उन बच्चों को संभालने के लिए.
कैसा लगा वो एक्सपीरियंस? कैसा था आपका? पहली बार था.
मैं अगली बार डबल पैसे लूंगा क्योंकि ये जो मतलब ये तो साइकियाट्रिस्ट वाला काम करना पड़ा मुझे.
मैंने ना सबको पूछा था पॉडकास्ट के ऑफ कैमरा के दौरान कि यू नो सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा होस्ट, आई मीन व्हेन डिड यू एंजॉय, विद whom did you all enjoy? And they were like, करण सर ने हमारा बहुत ध्यान रखा है.
So sweet of them, yeah, so
Very sweet, but they were like looking up to you constantly that we were sorted because of
Yeah.
him.
No, I told them as long as I am there, nothing's gonna happen. Don't be scared.
But incredible experience, I would like to say. What now you have to tell me what annoys you.
I don't think anything annoys me. What annoys?
That's not possible.
No, but that's what I'm saying. Na, when see, I'm a very easily annoyed person. Okay.
Oh.
I'm a very easily annoyed person, but इसको इतना लीवे है ना, इतना लीवे है. She can get away with murder. इतना लीवे है इसके पास.
उसी को तो प्यार कहते हैं.
वही तो बोल रहा हूँ ना. वही. So that's what I'm saying. अभी तो खत्म हो गई वो annoyance की वो सारी.
Yeah.
Nothing I've changed.
Yeah.
But something.
ऐसे तो बहुत सारी चीजें होंगी जितना
एक
कुछ
छोटी
करती है.
चीज बता दो.
नहीं, वो छोटे-छोटे annoyance तो बहुत सारे हैं. There's nothing major that annoys me.
Yeah.
Like वही बोल रहा हूँ ना, there are things that make her who she is, but you know.
I think you get annoyed when you don't know my schedule.
Not really. I know your schedule, babe.
No.
I
He
always
gets
know
annoyed.
your schedule.
You get annoyed, Sunny.
हाँ, if I I mean, है वो
Like you
चीज़ें।
just need to know where she is,
Yeah.
what she's doing. That's
I need
cute
to know
also.
she's safe. मेरा कोई बंदा है वहाँ पे या इसके भी कुछ बंदे हैं इसके स्टाफ के who I trust.
And then most of the times I don't even tell him, and he gets to know through people. Oh, so you've left already? And I'm like, how did you get to know that I've left? So he's got his sources.
Yeah, he's always picking you
Yeah.
up. I know that.
You were just sleeping right now. Did you just wake up? And I'm like,
इसको कैसे पता चला?
इसको कैसे पता चला? He gets to know everything.
So sweet.
Pink Villa. Look no further.